Hi, good morning to all. Welcome to Arjun's Economy. In this class, we are going to discuss about the classification of the countries by the World Bank basing on the per capita GNI, and another important topic, characteristic features of developing country with special reference to India. In your first unit, economic growth and economic development, in the previous class we discussed about the characteristic features of developed countries and concepts of economic growth and economic development and the differences between the economic growth and economic development. In this class we are going to discuss about the classification of the countries by the World Bank basing on their per capita GNI. How the countries are classified: low income countries, middle income countries, high income countries. Classification of the countries. Classification of the countries, world countries, by the World Bank, World Bank classified the countries in his report. In the report, World Development Report, World Development Report, WDR. In your syllabus, as per World Development Report 2014, World Development Report 2014, World Bank classified the countries into three categories basing on the GNI per capita. Parameter em ikkada, what is the parameter? GNI per capita, GNI per capita in US dollars. Already we discussed in the previous classes, okay, what is GNI and what is purchasing power parity. What is GNI? It's the country's income. The purchasing power parity means comparing the world countries. To compare the world countries, adjustment of world countries' currencies to the US American dollars. So, by adjusting these different countries of the currencies to the US American dollars in the rate of purchasing power parity, okay, we can compare the countries, the purchasing power capacity of a currency after conversion of US American dollars. Okay, basing on that purchasing power parity, purchasing power capacity, we can understand the purchasing levels of the people in the country, at the same time the quality of life of the people in the country, okay, basing on this purchasing power parity. So, World Bank classify the countries with the GNI per capita in US dollars. The World Bank classified the countries generally in three categories. Number one, low income countries. Low income countries. So, the low income countries, the GNI per capita is US American dollars $1045 and below. Okay. When the country's per capita, GNI per capita $1045 or below this 1045 comes under the category of low income countries. Okay. The country's per capita, GNI per capita in terms of US dollars 1045 US American dollars or and below that category of the countries comes under when the country is low income countries. That means the low income countries purchase GNI per capita is 1045 American dollars or below the 1045 American dollars. Whatever the countries, their GNI per capita 1045 or below that comes under the category of low income countries. Again, second category, middle income countries. Middle income countries. The country's GNI per capita more than 1045, that means in between 10462, okay, 12746 US American dollars comes under the category of middle income countries. The country's GNI per capita in between the 1046 US dollars and 12746 US American dollars comes under the category of middle income countries. Again, these middle income countries classified into two categories. Number one, lower middle income countries. Lower middle income countries. Number two, higher or upper middle income countries. Lower middle income countries, the per capita, GNI per capita in between 10462 4125. The country's GNI per capita in between the US dollars 10462 4125 comes under the category of lower middle income countries. Okay, but upper middle income countries more than 4125, that means in between 41262 12746 comes under the upper middle income countries. The countries those GNI per capita in between 4126 US dollars to 12746 US dollars comes under the category of upper middle income countries. That means third category, high income countries. High income countries. The countries those GNI per capita, okay, more than 12747 and more. Okay, 12747 US dollars and more comes under the category of high income countries. That means World Bank classified the countries basing on their per capita GNI, with GNI per capita in US dollars. Okay, GNI per capita, basing on this GNI per capita, in the World Development Report, the World Bank classified the countries into three categories. Number one, low income countries. Number two, middle income countries. Again, middle income countries classified into two types. Number one, lower middle income countries. Number two, upper middle income countries. And third category, high income countries, basing on the GNI per capita. That means the per capita of countries, whose countries 1045, the per capita of countries $1045 and below, less than 1045 or less than 1045, the per capita of the countries US in terms of US American dollars comes under the category of low income countries. So, low income countries GNI per capita 1045 US American dollars or below less than 1045 comes under this low income countries. Middle income countries, the middle income countries GNI per capita more than 1045, that means 1046 US American dollars to 12746, in between 1046 to 12746 in terms of US dollars comes under the category of middle income countries. The countries whose per capita GNI in between 10462 to 12746 comes under the category of middle income countries. Again, these middle income countries divided into two types. Number one, lower middle income countries. Number two, upper middle income countries. Lower middle income countries means the countries per capita GNI in between 1046 US dollars to 4125 US American dollars comes under this lower middle income countries. And upper middle income countries, the countries per capita GNI 4126, continuation this one, 4126 American dollars to 12746 US dollars comes under the upper middle income countries. That means another category, high income countries, thus countries whose per capita GNI more than 12747 and more in terms of US dollars comes under the high income countries. These countries per capita GNI 12,747 US dollars and more comes under the category of these high income countries as per the World Development Report by the World Bank. This is the World Bank classification basing on the GNI per capita. Generally, these two categories comes under the known as called as developing countries. These two categories, that means low income countries, middle income countries, these two categories countries known as called as developing country. That means India is a developing country. This comes under these two categories. So it is under the middle income, lower middle income countries category. Our India's per capita comes under the lower middle income category. Nowadays, the per capita GNI in Indian economy increasing, but till now we are under the developing countries category. So this is the one of the important topic in our Indian economy. This is the World Bank classification basing on the GNI per capita in US dollars. So now we are going to discuss about the what are the characteristic features of developing country. What are the